What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is James. Today we're going to be replacing a thermostat on a Ritchie waterer. Got this bad boy here. We installed it about a year ago, and that's about all we got out of it. And now we had to turn the power off because it was just steaming. It was way too hot. And of course the horses, they don't like it. I think they're a little scared of the water now because they went to drink one time and it was a little too hot. This is the Omni series, so I don't know if it's just we got a defective unit or if it was actually due to a lightning strike that happened. But either way, we're gonna dig into this thing and see what's going on. Appreciate that Ritchie designed these with so much room to work inside. Multimeter here. We're going to test the this is the one we pulled out. It should be open and it's closed, which means it is shorted out, which would explain why it was overheating the water. Will do the same too, right? So it's 9.8, yeah. Got the heater kicking on, so we're trying to figure out the temperature of the water. Theoretically, it should come on somewhere around 50 degrees. So I'm trying to figure out if there's actually an issue when it's still kicking on, or what the deal is here. Oh, there you go. That's how you replace the thermostat on the Ritchie Omni waterer. Pretty simple process. Just takes a few minutes. About a $30 part you can get on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description for you, but just takes a few minutes and you're good as new. So we still have to wait to see if this water heats up. Seems to be doing it slowly, but it's going to take a while. There's a bit of water in there. Alright, well that's it for today. Have a good one.